Hedera UAE strategy deepens with McLaren connection and what's next for HBAR. We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around HBAR. Let's talk about Hedera UAE strategy deepens with McLaren connection. Hedera is strengthening its position across enterprise, regulation, and global partnerships. HederaCon 2026, held in Miami from May 4th to 6th, brought together institutions like Citi, Euroclear, Google, and U.S. policy representatives with a focus on real-world asset tokenization and AI-driven finance. That institutional alignment comes as DeFi activity expands, with total value locked rising 141% year-over-year to $208 million, led by Saucer Swap. Also, HBAR is gaining recognition as a core infrastructure token tied to long-term utility. A deeper look at Hedera's global ties goes beyond surface-level partnerships. Crypto analyst Tokeniker points to a connection between Hedera and Abu Dhabi that goes beyond surface-level partnerships. McLaren Racing, now part of Hedera's governing council, is owned by CYVN Holdings, an investment firm backed by the Abu Dhabi government. That connection places Hedera closer to sovereign-backed capital and strategic initiatives in the region. This relationship builds on Hedera's regulatory footprint in the UAE. Hedera already has a license under Abu Dhabi's rules through hashgraph. That gives it a legal base in one of the fastest-growing crypto hubs. And that matters because money in that region is moving into blockchain and digital assets. The bigger picture here is alignment. Hedera is not just working with private companies. It's also putting itself next to government-backed groups. That mix builds trust and opens the door to big adoption, especially in places that are putting real money into digital finance. One big reason Hedera is moving is regulation and big money getting in. On March 17, 2026, U.S. regulators called HBAR a digital commodity. That means it's no longer stuck in the "is it a security?" question. So, now, regulated investment products can use it. Soon after, Canary Capital launched a spot HBAR ETF. 15 more firms, including Bitwise and Grayscale, also filed for one. These products let big investors buy HBAR directly. If money flows in steadily over time, that creates constant buying pressure in the market. Big investors also trust Hedera because of its governing council. Members include Google, IBM, and McLaren Racing, which joined in 2026 to work on digital engagement and collectibles. Having big tech and enterprise names on the council makes people trust how the network is run. But there's a catch. Enterprise adoption often happens on private systems, so real-world partnerships don't always show up right away as visible demand for HBAR on the public network. The second big factor is DeFi growth and on-chain activity. The total value locked on Hedera has hit $208 million. That's up 141% from a year ago. Most of that liquidity is on Saucer Swap. Hedera also ranks high in real-world asset development, which means builders are interested. When usage goes up, transaction demand and staking usually follow. That helps HBAR's price when market conditions are stable. The ecosystem is also growing thanks to new tools and big events. HederaCon 2026 in Miami brought together big institutions, developers, and policymakers. It helped show Hedera's role in AI-driven finance and tokenized assets. Here's what the Hedera chart is showing. The price structure shows a steady recovery from the 0.085 zone, with the HBAR price now testing resistance near $0.092 to $0.093. The recent move forms a higher low compared to mid-April, indicating buyers are stepping in earlier during pullbacks. Price is stuck in a range between 0.085 support and 0.093 resistance. If the price breaks above the top, then it could go to $0.095 and maybe $0.10. If HBAR can't hold above $0.090, then it could fall back to the lower support zone where buyers stepped in before. Do you think HBAR will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer: this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on HBAR in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.